wants everyone know I'm his woman and he is my man. We can talk about anything, he's got nothing to hide. He's not afraid of his feelings, he's not a slave to his pride. He's giving me love so steady, he touches my heart, now I'm ready. He touches my soul and my spirit. He's giving me love